Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Sephora promo codes. So if you want to use Sephora promo codes, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.couponfollow.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you're led to the official website of Coupon Follow. Here you can search for a store. Click on the search bar and type Sephora. Click on sephora.com. Now here you can see several promo codes for Sephora store. Scroll down to see more options. Now select the coupon code of your choice. Now you can see over here a code will appear. All you have to do is copy this code. Simply click on copy. Or you can also redeem directly at Sephora. Now after copying this code, go to new tab. Click on the search bar and type www.sephora.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you're led to the official website of Sephora. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now select the product that you want to purchase. Here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is click on this add to basket option. Now after it is added to basket, all you have to do is check out. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to enter your shipping address. Also fill up the additional information. Now if you look over here, you can see the option add promo or reward code. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll have to paste the promo code that you had copied earlier. Simply click on this box. Right click on your mouse and select the option paste. Or you can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+V. Now all you have to do is click on this option apply. Now you can see over here the promo code is applied. So that is how you use Sephora promo code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.